When recording, you are going to make sure that you record a trailer episode. A trailer episode is going to be 1 to 10 minutes. 1 to 10 minutes is a trailer episode where it basically calls out your avatar because you already know who your avatar is. You record something that says, if you're this person, you're going to get this value listening to this podcast. That's the shortened version of what your trailer is. Now, I've got other episodes that we can link to that talk more about the trailer episode. But in short, you're going to call out your avatar directly and let him or her know what they're going to get from your show. You want to record that. And you know what else you want to record? You want to record another 3 full episodes that are going to publish on day 1. So those 3 full episodes could be solo or they could be interview episodes. It doesn't matter. It could be someone else interviewing you. It could be you interviewing somebody else. Or like me on this podcast, I've chosen, instead of 3 episodes to come out on the first day, I chose to do 6 episodes to come out the first day. And I chose to make it a course. So if you have been listening for a while, you probably are aware that the first 6 episodes of the podcast on podcasting is a free course for you to get involved in publishing your own podcast. It's everything A to Z that you're going to need to know. I've created a course, and I didn't want to be one of those douchebags, no offense, who had to have a call to action and getting people on my list for everything they ever needed. I don't do that. Now I do that many times. I'm that much of a douchebag. But in the first 6 episodes, it is a course A to Z of how to launch a top podcast.